Check it out, guys. Adrian unknown. I'm about to hit the water. I finally got the kayak all set up and ready. Everything's tied down, everything's tight. I'm not forgetting anything at all. Truck's locked up, got the bait. Yeah, let's get on the water. Couple last checks just to make sure everything's legit. Okay, we're good. Alrighty, guys. First things first, grab your paddle, make sure it's attached. Get it into the water. We're not dragging any lines or anything like that. Cool. Oh shit. Easy to transform the seat. Want it in its highest position. Oh no. Crap. There. Come on, whoa. That's not the best place to grab it by. Alright. Go ahead and jump on the kayak. Don't worry about these this water. It'll get out. Sweet. Okay, let's paddle out a bit into the water before I engage the motor, because again, it's not very deep right here. Make sure that your paddle's facing in the right way. Ready? Let's go. Oh, this is in the way. Well, we're only gonna need it to get into the deep water. Okay, after that we're done. Well, now that we're in the deep water, we're good. Put the paddle on this side. We're not gonna need it for a while. Make sure you put it into the paddle holder, which is right here, like so. Now go ahead and drop it into the water like this. Okay, go out this way, and then you can engage forward. Look at that, guys. Nice. Now we're on the motorized kayak. Sweet. Bit of a learning curve. All right, since my kayak is shaped the way it is, look at how the motor has to be so I can fight forward and go straight. See? But yeah, we're going all of 5 feet or 5 speeds forward. Pretty badass. I'm gonna get on a straight plane and then I'm gonna lock the direction. So far so good. I don't have to paddle. I'm not paddling. Liking it, liking it. Everything seems to be going good. I'm gonna turn it down to number 4, since I'm just gonna cruise. I'm gonna find the right way straight, and then I'm gonna lock it in. The way that I lock it in is this little collar right here. It tightens up. Just gotta find the right angle. Keep you going straight forward. Yeah, this is awesome, guys. So here I am in a flooded river. This is the Rio Grande. Can put my feet right there. Not using too much energy. This thing could benefit from having a rudder in the back. That way I wouldn't have to keep fighting the kayak from going one way or the other. But so far so good. Really can't complain. I am moving pretty good, so happy for that. Nice. Big carp jumping over there. There's a cattle gate right there in the water, guys. That shows you how much the water is come up. Again, the river runs right here. This is all just overflow. This is awesome. Just cruising along in the kayak, guys. Very, very nice. Just chugging along. I've got the Optima Blue Top, so I'll be able to go out here all day long. I was able to stay out on my little boat all day long with my Blue Top the other day. So yeah, these are $300 batteries, just in case you guys don't know what an Optima is. A lot of people don't know, and that's fine. Sweet. Look at this. That over there is the start of my last video where I was fishing out there on the kayak in the shallows. I'm gonna take it out farther this way into the river, and I'm gonna throw out my kayak anchor. Just wanted to show you this place, guys. It's really, really cool. Again, I'm probably gonna set up some sort of a rudder system on this. It would only benefit it. Very, very nice. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my rod right here for, what is it called? And you just let it drift. Trolling. Yeah, trolling like the motor. All right, so set up your rod holder in which way that you want. Okay, make sure that you're going in the right way, and then throw out your bait. In this case, it's a white shad on 20-pound rated line, sorry. Right here I'm in the very deep water, so I'm just going to drop it straight down, and then I'm going to set the bail and place it right in there. The kayak's going to do the rest. Nice. Again, this is a place I call fishing paradise. It's really easy to see why. We're gonna go down this fork first. I'm only going on number 1. I should be going like 3 or 4. All right, now I'm gonna be hauling some ass now. Now I'm cooking with some gas, guys. Let's see, one more speed number 4. Freaking moving, guys. Speed 5.